Hi, to download WhatsApp on your iPhone 13, as a first step, let's unlock the phone, and now we will need to find the App Store. So here on the bottom of the screen you can see several pages: today, games, apps. You can just search for the WhatsApp in this apps section, and here it is, or you can use the search bar and type in the name of the app manually. So now just simply tap on this cloud icon if you downloaded it before, or you'd see this get button. In my case it is a cloud icon, so I'm gonna tap it and it starts installing immediately. If you install it for the first time, you would need to scan your Face ID or enter your Apple account's password. And now it is installed and we can immediately open it, and also we can see it right on our home screen. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.